Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please like or share or subscribe, and of course a little comment so that let's get miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. So last I think 2 days ago we saw Ozakaris a Bimurt to pop up by Prophet Tsepo after he went on social media. Aroga Prophet Tsepo and went to top up to point motoring or just Betlele, and we have seen him in a very sad state hospital, and people actually felt very sorry for Saka RSA, and Osaka apologized saying that he was sent Urumileke Mampatlele to try and tarnish at suppose reputation so that nobody can even think of consulting them. And later yesterday he went back on Facebook Live to reveal that he is not afraid of Utsapo and other allegations said in this and that. And I don't care if and you guys, there has been allegations that Prophet Tsepo is actually trying to buy him back 2 million because a case against him. So Brabi, his rival, is actually the one who made sure, or Prophet Tsepo on a silver platter, he made sure that Zaka RSA was found on a silver platter by Prophet Tsepo. He got actually 10,000 rands from a Prophet Tsepo, and this is actually just a trick. They tricked Ozaka into going out there and being moved to a pulp. So this is Brabi basically telling us what happened and how he lured Zaka RSA. Please check this out, and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
a shalla tlo go bala go diregile a bona motho mo a tsebang ntle le nna ke Prophet Tsepo o ilane le ka gona go tlhakantsha tsaka ka ge go bona o fela o e balena mo di-posting, and then ke a monyaka so ke tla mo fa 10K. Well, okay, ke a leboga my prof, I will be happy. Thank you, bro. Ke a o lata wena tsaka no. Yeah. They've been too serious. Okay. Sharp. Tinapile ke a molata ka mo prof. Alright, go romela gona mo nomoro njeka. Gona mo nomoro njeka. Ke Capitega. Ya ke Capitega prof. Thank you prof. Nomoro njeka. Okay, I'm happy. Ava only not am faten kuyoga. Bafana ba go saletseng kwa wa tsadi ke di tšhelete 100 ya petrol ke le rekele future 200 le lena next time le la tse gore tsamaya 10K kinch wa bushisha so mara wa romela no ke la tsatsaka a re betse di content so mara ke ga e go tsheko ke khona di bereka mara reja ra ka ngano molata le ka bo 8 strong ntwe go le go ala robetse ke a tseba o nyaka 10K that's one rugile ke mantswe ke a buleng from Prophet Tsepo ya makgwale ga go tlhakatlhakane ma TikToker ke Brabi a sugar time ya last ne ke lla le go pola ke nyaka na le tsaka so tsaka o la ke mo grade ka location so bjale ke no kwa go tswa go le nna rena ke mo die mago ke mo grade ka mogono ke a molata ka mogo so ke fitla kwa ke mo die mago mpotse ma TikToker ke no go tswa go tswa go lena gore tsaka re mo dieng ba go ke re bona le mo tseba motho la o nrogile magoa so no go tlhakatlhakana ke Brabi ka time ke mo dieng magoa ke mo grade ka location ke a molata no tsio
brabi utonya na tsa game fan cha o rekile dragon tattoo o rekile dragilo afisha brabi to beta cha o e watu ke kwele mfana o to beta ne ke to beta cha o di angwa brabi we o pusha di content di na go pusha content to nya ba sepa o lona mthumo lo kwa ba bota cha